You hit the Camaro. Yeah.
Nice.
Reverse, Marcelin. Reverse.
Come on. Come on.
Yay, Thomas! What a surprise! Thomas the Tank Engine. Yeah.
Get it.
He likes Thomas.
Of course.
Thomas the Tank Engine. Okay, mommy, drive it. Go, mommy. Did it hurt?
It's okay. Versus.
Don't hit Marcelin.
Nice.
Thomas!
Thomas. Hello.
A Lamborghini Veneno. Can I try, mommy?
Okay.
Thank you. Whoopsie.
Wow.
Yeah! Drifting! Drifting skills!
Nice.
Drifting and spinning! Oh yeah! Oopsie! Oh no! All good, all good. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! Wow, this is so fun! I can do this all day! Wow, so much fun! Yeah! Yeah! Oh my goodness! I trashed the Lamborghini! Drive it, mommy! Whoa! Oh my goodness! You hit the Batmobile! Nice! Go, mommy! Oh, you hit the Bugatti! Why, Marcelin? Oh, he wants to cuddle.
Yeah.
Cuddle, cuddle time.
See?
What do you say, mommy?
Good.
It's nice, eh?
Yes.
Nice, hot, and sexy Lamborghini Gallardo. Wow. Mommy, I want to buy one. I mean, a real one.
It's so expensive.
I mean, that's a toy. I want to get a real one, mommy.
Oh my goodness.
Can we afford it? Nah, too much money. Too much money.
Too much.
Yeah, too much. Yeah.
What, baby?
Yeah. Thomas. Okay, boy, drive it.
Come on.
Teach him, mommy. Yeah. Nice, hey, boy. I want to see it up close. Nice. Bottom part. Okay. Yeah. What happened, mommy?
I don't know.
You didn't lock it properly, mommy. That's why. Okay, the back. The engine. Nice. Wow. Look at these hot vehicles. A Jeep. Nice. Another Jeep. A Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Oh yeah. A McLaren. Nicey. Arlo, the good dinosaur. And yes, Lamborghini. A Bugatti Veyron. Cool. A Nissan Skyline. Ford Mustang GT. Dodge Viper. An orange Ford. Can you see it? Okay. Wait. There you go. A Ford Mustang. A classic Ford Mustang. Yep, it's an RC. And a Bugatti. Two Bugattis. Nice, eh? Wow! A 1/10 scale Lamborghini Gallardo RC by Maestotech. Wow, nice color, mommy. Orange. An orange Lamborghini. So awesome, mommy. A Lamborghini Gallardo. Tri-channel, mommy. Everything is included. The batteries and the charger. Nice. The back of the box. Okay. Oops. Wait. Okay. Lamborghini official licensed product. Nice. It's a full function RC, folks. Yep. Full function. It can go forward, left, right, and reverse. Okay. Okie dokie. RTR, ready to run. Okay. Hi, baby boy Marksland. You want to unbox it? Huh? Huh? You're holding the scissors. You want to unbox it now? Yeah? A Lamborghini Gallardo. Yeah. Orange. Nice one. Where is Mommy Marksland? Where is Mommy Rhea? Oh, there she is. Hello, good morning, Mommy Rhea.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm good.
All right. Well, Mommy, you know what to do. He's excited. Marksland is excited.
Yes, they're so excited.
He is. He's always excited. Okay, guys. There you go, boy. There you go, Marksland.
Wow.
Wow, nice color, Mommy. Nice and shiny. I like the paint scheme. Nice.
Check.
Yeah, baby boy.
Hey.
Instructions. Okay. Alright. Nice wheels. Look at the wheels, Mommy.
Nice.
So awesome, right? Very Hot Wheels. Yeah.
You like it, Marksland?
I see the engine.
Baby?
Nicey. The controller. The charger. 2 AA batteries for the controller and the rechargeable battery for the car itself.
Oopsie.
Yeah, boy. Okay, Mommy, do it.
Oh, yeah.
Unbox the exotic car. Yeah, Marksland, wait.
Why?
Mommy's doing it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. An Italian exotic racing car or sport car. Lamborghini Gallardo.
Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Okay, Marksland. Wow. Wow. So hot and sexy. That's a sexy car, Markslin. Oh my. I'm in love with it. I love it, Markslin. So hot and sexy. And the controller. Wow, you like it, Markslin? Yep, for sure. Yeah. Wow.
Ouchie.
A Lamborghini Gallardo.
Hurt mommy.
The charger. Yeah, yeah. Wow.
Oopsie.
Maistotech. Yeah. Okay, boy. All yours, all yours. All yours. Nicey, nicey.
Alright.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey, baby boy.
2 batteries, daddy.
Okay, 2 AA batteries for the controller. Okay, mommy, close it. Can I see the controller?
Okay.
Okay. Two Lamborghinis? A Lamborghini Gallardo and Aventador? Nice. An orange and white Lamborghinis.
Come here.
Yeah, boy. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Which one is faster? The orange one or the white one? The Gallardo or the Aventador?
What do you think, baby?
Well, I think it depends on the driver, mommy. Beep, 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 beep. It's not about the car, mommy. It's about the driver. Do you agree?
I think so.
All right. Whoa! Whoa! Two hot-looking Lamborghinis. Aventador. Gallardo. Yeah.
Hey, that's the orange one. Ah.
The white one is yours, Markslin said. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah.
Look, baby. Dance.
It dances. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, baby boy. Beep, beep, baby boy.
Baby.
Lamborghini Gallardo. An orange Lamborghini Gallardo. Driven by Markslin, baby boy, Buchito, baby Godzilla, baby. He likes it. Yeah. He loves toy cars, mommy.
Yeah.
And trains. Toy cars and trains are Markslin's favorites. Eee, very nice, eh? What? What do you see?
Mickey Mouse.
Oh yeah. Toy train. Yeah.
Mickey Mouse train.
Yeah.
What?
What? You see a lot of toys. Yeah.
Thomas.
What? Thomas, Mickey Mouse. You have a lot of toys, Markslin.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, come on, let's put battery na.
Okay.
Let's put battery, Markslin. And drive it.
Come on.
Give it to mommy. Give the car to mommy.
Oh,
Oh, smart baby, he knows. He wants to drive it. He's holding the controller now.
Yeah.
Okay, boy. Mommy will put the battery.
Okay.
Here, mommy. Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, mommy.
Okay.
Just connect it.
Like this?
Yeah. Or the other way.
Okay.
There you
Oh,
go.
yeah. Okay. Okay. Let me check.
Okay, put the cover back.
Okay.
On.
It's on now?
Yep. It's on. There.
Wow.
Oh, Marceline.
Yeah, boy. Yeah. Smart. He knows how to drive.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hold it, hold it. Go.
The headlights light up.
Yep.
Yeah. Smart baby.
Hey, good job.
So smart. Yeah. Whoa, whoa.
See that, Marceline?
Yeah.
Nice, Marceline.
Yeah. Woohoo. La Ferrari.
Oh no! Oh no!
Chevy Corvette Stingray. Another Lamborghini.
Go, Marceline,
Yeah.
go!
Smart. Smart baby. Yeah, smart boy. Yeah. Wow, this is so fun! I can do this all day! Wow, so much fun! Yeah! Yeah! Oh my goodness! I trashed the Lamborghini!